Hi class, and welcome to the mindfulness hand washing activity that I have planned. First, you're going to label your journal. You're going to write feel, hear, smell, see, touch, and I feel. And then you're going to find a sink, or you can also use hand sanitizer to do this. And if you're going to use a sink, you're going to turn the water on. And then you're going to rinse your hands. And you're going to think about, what does it feel like? What does the water feel like? Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it refreshing? Just think about how the water feels. Then, after you think about how the water feels, you're going to go ahead and add the soap and scrub your hands together. What do you hear? What do you feel? I hear my hands rubbing together. What is the texture of the soap? Is it smooth? Is it slimy? Is it thick? Is it thin? What does it smell like? My soap smells like watermelon and cucumber. And even though that's the name of my soap, maybe your soap smells different than what it says. So after I scrub my hands together, I'm going to rinse my hands off. What did I see? What color was my soap? My soap is white, and I saw a lot of bubbles. And I hear the water running. So then I'm going to think about, well, the five senses are see, which we covered, hear, which we covered, feel, smell, and the last one is taste. So I'm going to go ahead and take a sip of the water, and it tastes fresh and clean. Remember, now don't taste it if you're using hand sanitizer. You won't be able to do that. So then I'm going to move on to the towel. And I noticed that my towel feels rough on my hands, but it's also keeping my hands nice and clean. And my towel is blue. And my towel is clean. So think about your towel or how you're drying off your hands. And then the last thing is, how do you feel? I feel clean, and I feel like I got rid of the germs on my hands. My hands feel nice and soft and smooth. So I hope you enjoyed this mindfulness practice. This is something that you can do every day in your own house, and it can really help you to think about what goes on in those little moments where we're washing our hands and really just refresh our minds.